Hi everyone, this is Sophie with My Minerals. I'm going to show you how to apply your samples today. The sample pack comes with 3 different foundations and a blush. But how do you know which one is your shade? I'm going to show you how to do that. All you'll need to apply your samples is a paper plate, dense flat top brush, and a round angled brush for your blush. Let's start with color matching. We give you 3 different foundations in your color range. We have to figure out which one is going to match you the best. The goal is to have it match your neck. We don't want a line where your face ends and your neck starts. Now let's open all your little baggies and pour a little bit on the plate. These are 3 different shades in my color range. Now let's figure out our color match. I'm going to be doing it on the jawline and taking my finger. I'm just going to take a little bit on my fingertip and rub it into my jawline. This is the first shade, Devotion. I'm just going to rub it in. I'm going in with Honey. And then the last shade, Tan. Color lineup is from light to dark. Now I'm going to look and see which one I think matches me the best. I'm going to go with Honey. Now let's apply our powder foundation. Now let's take our brush and swirl it around the product. Once you get some product on your brush, we're just going to buff it into our skin. Remember, we want everything to blend, so make sure to blend it down your neck. If you want some more coverage, do a tapping motion in those areas and it will build the product up. Now I'm just going to finish the rest of my face. Now that we're done with the foundation, I feel like I need a little bit of color in my cheeks. So let's take our Plumberry blush that's given to you in your set. We're just going to take that blush now and put a little bit on our plate. Take our angled round brush and we're just going to pick up a little bit of that product. A little goes a long way with our blushes. Now let's add color back into our cheeks. We're just going to bounce the product in and blend. Make sure to smile so you can see where the apples of your cheeks are. Of course, you can build up the color as much as you'd like. And there you go, the whole look with foundation and blush. Hope this video helped. Enjoy trying out your new makeup.